body conditioning, a workout so that we can enjoy a bit of strength training without shaking the house down. So let's begin, have some fun and enjoy. Let's march it out. Shake it out arms, let's warm it up a little bit. Okay. Nice, easy, keep a guard up. This is just keeping the fists close and kick. Now while we're doing this, I'm just going to explain what we're going to do. We've got hand weights. Now if you haven't got hand weights, you can grab a couple of tins from the cupboard, whatever you want to use. Or just close your fist as we're doing now. Okay, kick it out. Keep that moving. Okay, now we're going to kick back. So it's nice and simple. Just shake it out. Keep the guard close, don't want those arms waving around everywhere. Gives you more control for your core. Oh, like a bit of energy. Nice one. Okay, kick it out to the side. Wonderful stuff. Keep those kicks nice and strong, like you mean it. Excellent work. March it out. Shake it out. Okay, our first effort, we're going to pick up some hand weights. Let's pump up a little bit. Nice one. Okay. March out a little wider and then come up onto the toes. So you're going side to side. Okay, nice move. Let's just get the rhythm of this first. And then we introduce the waist pull. So we're bringing the weight up to the ribs, side of the body. Get ready, start on your left, let's go. And change. Nice. I'm not counting anything. We're just going to work. Counting reps is all good, but we're at home and there's no pressure. No. Let's go by how we feel. Keep it going. Are you feeling that now? It's getting heavy, isn't it? Just as well we didn't count the reps, isn't it? Nice one. A few more. Excellent. 3, 2, 1, march. Okay, keeping a light march, we're going to take squats down. Okay, so the march is in betweens, just to keep a bit of body heat going. Okay, feet still. Prepare yourself. Taking our squat down, so inhale. Exhale down, push your butt back as I'm going to sit low and come up, squeeze. And just keep working with me. Nice. Keep those arms straight. Don't pull the weights upwards as you stand. Clench your butt tight as you come up and pull your belly in. Make it work for you, nice and strong. Excellent. Keep smiling. Keep it going. Focus on what you feel because the strength of the work comes from those glutes. Squeeze them tight. Nice. I'm not counting. I'm feeling. And this is feeling like it's working. Come on. You know it's working because you'll feel your heart rate increase a little bit. Start a bit of an anaerobic effort where the breath is creeping up a bit quicker. Keep it going. Keep it squeezing through those glutes. Come on. It's working those big muscles. Nearly done. Let's creep in another 2. And 1. And finish. Kick it out. And that little march in the middle. Nice. Nice. So you should be feeling like heart rate's quickened up a little bit now. Okay. March out a little wider and again push the toes. Okay. Bring the weights across the front of the legs. So we're going to go upward rows this time on each tap. Get ready. Let's have a left start. Let's go. Remember, when you lift the weight up, be aware that you don't lean forward. Because the weights are heavy, they can pull you forward. So keep your abs in tight. Be upright. Nice one. So, working through upward rows, turn at sides, nice and strong. Come on. It's going to get heavy. I didn't promise you an easy workout. I said, let's just do this. Come on. Keep it going. 3, 1, 2, and 1. March. Wonderful. Nice and easy in the way that we're not going to be jumping around the house, shaking the floorboards up. We're working, becoming stronger, ready to get back into things properly. Okay. Again, march out a little wider, but keep your feet still now. Bring the weights across the front, end to end touch. Your squats again, get ready. Inhale. Exhale, push back and down and clench and stand. So we've got a wider squat now, a sumo squat. So we're now beginning to feel the effort through the legs. Keep the arms straight. Excellent, because you're not pulling the weights up as you stand. Clench your butt tight as you come up. Utilise those big muscles. Come on. Come on, we can do this. At home, we still need to feel challenged. We still need to feel like we're doing something. Two more, come on, we can do this. Last one. Wonderful. Kick it out easy. And again, that little march. Okay, excellent work. Put both hand weights down and out of your way now. Okay. Marching on the spot. Clasp your hands in front. Okay. Exhale, so you squeeze your belly and keep breathing normally, but abs in tight. Bend your knees and sink it down. Now you stay facing me and I'll turn sideways on so you can see the position. So be aware of your knees on this. You're doing really well. You don't have to sink too low. It's not about going too low. It's about that pressure march, a little bit of squeeze. Now you still work this move. I'm going to turn and face you now. Nearly done. And upright. March easy. Shake it out. Arms. Fabulous. You're doing really well. You want to keep that heat in. Core. So we keep working, keep moving. Again, clasp your hands. And this time we're going to have feet still and bend those knees. So the feet stay still now, apart from the bottom moving up and down. Let's go. Wonderful. So it's like tricking yourself into sitting down and then standing. Keep it going. Feel it all out. Wonderful. Little moves with such a big impact. Great for those muscles. Nearly done. Starting to feel that little bit of effort working in now. 3, 1, 2, and 1. Upright, arch, shake it out. Big breath, get that oxygen in. Okay. Again, clasp hands. Feet still, and bend your knees as though you're sitting down. But this time, we're going to tap toe out and change. Okay, so get ready. Left start, let's go. Don't bend your knees too low. You work with a depth that suits your effort. Remember, this is our indoor workout. It's made to feel that we're doing something, but without shaking the house down. Come on. Oh, those glutes should be screaming blue murder now. It's good. 3, 2, and bob it up and down now. Come on. So you still face me, and I'll turn sideways on so you can see what I'm doing. So it's just a little bob up and down. Nothing much, just a little twitch reaction for those quads and glutes. Nice one. 3, 1, 2, and 1. Okay, upright, kick. Excellent work. Okay. Phase 2. 1 hand weight now. Okay. 1 hand weight, or you can work with clasped hands. Feet hip width. The weight starts arms, legs down across the front of your legs. So you're going to take the weight forward and lift up to the top and down. Abs in tight. Get ready. And let's go up. Now when you lift the weight up, try not to swing it back behind your head so that you tip backwards. Don't over-exceed the range of movement. And when you come down, try not to let the weight or the hands bash on your legs. So you have a nice controlled lift and lower. Abs in all the time. Nice. Wonderful work. Working through the shoulders and back now. Squeezing the belly tight. A few more to do. Let's go 3, 2, and finish. Excellent. Kick it out. Stay with this 1 hand weight. Okay. Now we're going to count these out because with a set of sort of 10, we'll know where we're at for the changeover. So when we come down and we lift up, stretch it through. Okay, so you've got a nice big range of movement. Control. Abs, get ready. Inhale. Exhale down and push that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and arm down only, and change. Abs in, get ready, and down, and push that up. 1, 2, 3, come on. 4, 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, one more, arm down only. Nice one. Okay, we're going to repeat that now with both hand weights, but if you prefer, just use the one and go down and lift that up. Okay, so you don't have to use the two. Okay. So, we step hip width again. Abs in. Okay, arms length down, get ready, inhale. Exhale down and push that up. 1, 2. Squat down, remember that. Effort through the legs. To a 4. Nice strong use of the glutes. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Arms length down. Wonderful. Kick it out. That's your first set of 10 done. Okay. 2 seconds just to breathe it out. Hip width again. Focus now because the second set you might need, a little bit longer to rest out. Work with me. Stop whenever you need to. Let's go. Down. And up. 1. 2. 3. 4. Excellent. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. Up and arms laid down. Brilliant. Kick it out. Okay. Before we cool down too much, step back with your left. Bring your heel to the floor. Okay. Weights are held in front, ends up. I'm going to take it out. Butterfly and down. 10. Get ready and lift. 1. 2. 3. Excellent. 4. Squeeze the belly in as you come up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Step change. Okay. So this is your second set of 10. Prepare yourself. Get ready. And lift. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Remember those abs in. 8. 9. Come on. 10. Step in. Put the weights down, out of the way. Marching. Okay. Now with the march, just keep the heart rate up and a bit of heat in. Punch it down. Punch it front. Punch it up. Bring it all the way down to punch downs. Nice and strong as you punch down. Close those fists tight. Punch it front again. Punch it up. Excellent. Bring it all the way down to punch downs. Crisscross hands in front. Crisscross halfway up, about shoulder level. Abs in. Take it all the way up to the top. Halfway down again. All the way down in front of the legs. Halfway up. Abs Abs in, focus now. All the way up to the top. Halfway down. And all the way down in front of the legs. Now we're going to crisscross hands behind. So I'm going to turn so you can see. Just that nice little crisscross action. And crisscross in front. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Okay. Give yourself some room. Make sure you can step back behind you. Okay, keep your guard up. We're going to step back left and then right, keep changing. Abs in, let's go. Push, ball of the foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's count these out. 7, 8, 9, halfway. So we've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Get out. Nice one. Okay. Second set, step backs again, making sure you've got enough room because it's quite easy to move when you are working out. So step backs, I'll demonstrate. So as we step back, we're touching fingertips under the front leg. Okay. So start on the left back, under on the right. Abs in, let's go. 1, 2, lift the arms out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, halfway, let's keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, come on. 6, 5, we can do this. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. We're steaming up the windows, we will. Got to keep moving. Okay, let's pick up both hand weights again. Okay, hip width ish. Elbows, dig into your waist. We're not having a bicep curl where the arms are swinging everywhere. We want it nice and tight. Bend your knees a little, tilt, tuck your pelvis. Okay, let's do 20 curls. Get ready, and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I hope you're smiling. 9, 10, come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, we can do this. 2, and 1. Nice one. Kick it out. Super. Reach down inside your TV and get ya. Nice. Okay, this time, feet hip width. Closer. Ends up this time. Same elbows in, hammer curls. 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 10, 9. Feeling it now. 8, 7. Grip. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Nice one. One hand weight down out of the way. Okay, holding this hand weight across the front of the legs. Okay, focus now. What we're going to do is take the squat down, come up, and then a forward push. Okay, so we'll do 20. Stop if you need to. Abs in tight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All those abs in. 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway now. Come on, we can do this. 10, 9, 8. Nice combination. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and arms in, and finish there. Put that hand weight down. One more step work to do. We cool it down. Okay, I'll show you sideways on so you get to see we're doing box. Okay, it's that nice simple rhythm. Join me. You can face me rather than sideways on. Nice one. Just giving yourself a stride forward and step back. No jumping, just a strong forward step. Nice one. One more time. March it in. Okay. I'll stay facing sideways on. Face me. And we'll add the arms this time. So each time we step forward, we'll use the punch. Big arm ready. Let's start with right lead. Let's go. Nice one. Keep going. Focus. Come on, you should be feeling that now. That step work is just as strong as any jumping around. Excellent. We save the house from shaking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more, 7, 8, 9, and finish. March it out, turn face you, shake it out, arms, breathe, a sigh of relief. Easy kick, shake it out those legs. Nice. Loosen it up, cool it down. Okay, feet out a little wider. Toe push side to side. Swing the arms around easy, don't over twist. Breathe. Floppy arms is better, that way you just keep it nice and loose for your shoulders. Bring it in to march it out. Easy, really lazy legs. Shake it out, breathe. Okay, so we want the heart rate down. Now we're just going to have a bit of a stretch, work through those legs. I'm going to switch the music off for us. Fabulous. Okay, so no music, just to get ourselves completed nicely. Let's have left leg forward, heel to the floor, toes up. Bend your back knee, so your right knee you bend a little. Fingertips of the left can reach to below the knee, or fingertips to the toes. Just making sure that you've got the pull working down through the lower leg. You probably feel that from beneath the buttock right down to the back of your heel. Nice, easy, come upright. Keep your forward stride. Never step back as you come up. Complete, then step in, and you change. Right, foot forward, heel to the floor, toes up. Bend your back knee, forward bend, flat back. Fingertips below the knee or to the toes. Take it down as low as is safe but without straining. Wonderful. Come upright slowly, keep your forward stride. Remember, don't step in as you come up. Nice. Step back, kick it out. Okay, let's just go for a big stretch upwards, lengthen up through the abs and stretch through those arms. Clasp your hands in front. Okay, big stretch, lengthen it up, reach it up, lift it through so you've got that nice pull coming up through the rib cage. Wonderful. Okay, easy and forward, shoulder level. Bend your knees, tilt your pelvis, tuck your butt in. Okay, I'll show you sideways on. So I've got a nice tuck in. I'm not pushing my butt back. Keeping the tilt, fingertips down on those legs. Shoulders curl over, head down. Just allowing the pull of the arms to the floor. That will round the shoulders. Cross the hands over on the legs, just slide it round a little, let's open up through those shoulder blades. Uncross. Come up slowly. Wonderful, get a big breath in again. Kick it out, shake it out. Most of all, fab, well done. See you again soon. Bye now.